Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present another classic. It's called B2H, and that is a Philly classic. The song is XR2, the artist is M.I.A, the choreography is BURNETTE. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674 and let's go. So as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll pin the instructional at the end of this video. Here we go.
Where were you in 92? 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 92, 92, 90, 90, 92. Took a good time all the time. This is how we do next. I took a bullshit fine steady as Alpine. 2020 but 12 and took a good time all the time. Brooklyn, Massive, like Ryan, Labyrinth, Road, Guns, like this time. High top days, we ain't never played. Roll out jeans, easy, good said. Sachi jeans, and shades and chain. We roll in there like we relate. DJs, and see the pirate ways. Keep it secret like it, mate.
It's a classic. It's a classic. So you're interested in learning the step-by-step instruction, I'll pin to the very end. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.